Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and welcome back to me again. I'm Jagat. Now I will give a tutorial how to make a LinkedIn banner. Do you guys know what is LinkedIn banner? LinkedIn banner is the banner in your profile of LinkedIn. It's like the display. You like your first impression. You click if person is clicking in your LinkedIn profile, the person will look at your LinkedIn banner. And if you give some information in your LinkedIn banner, it make your first impression from people to you is good. Like this. This is my LinkedIn banner. Before in I'm from networking in junior high school, I was a designer, and in my LinkedIn banner is uh, my name and designer. And today I will giving a tutorial to you how to make LinkedIn banner from your majority. And I will give a three example maybe from different majority from Android developer, networking until the normal employee like normal employee. First thing what you want to do is click this this frame and pick the frame in social media and click sorry okay click LinkedIn cover. Click nice. You have the not the news blank LinkedIn cover, and then first the second thing you want to do is you must search the image in Unsplash because Unsplash is free, and this is the, they have the HD image, very good image, cool image. I will give the first example from my majority is network. First is network. I will search in here network. Okay, we have the clear one. I think I want to click this land part. Okay, okay. No, I think I want to click this. As this network. You have switched to the loading. Yes, I think it's done. We can copy the image.
Oh, bisa nyambung yang ini gitu.
We can copy the image and open the LinkedIn again and pass and then scale the image until the LinkedIn cover, and then drop the image in here.
Nah,
Yes,
kayak gini nih.
it's already done. This is my background of the LinkedIn banner. Now I will giving the text first. First thing, okay. I will give some like this. The example, thing. We must have this box. I think we can copy and paste it. Maybe.
Iya.
Wait a minute. Okay. Now we can copy it and paste center. This is the example, but this is the bad design. The good design part is like the if you have color, the dark one, you must give a background is the light one. If you have the background is dark one, the light one, you have must to give the text is the dark one. This is the light one. I giving text is the dark one. Maybe I should make it
Gue pakai
a
mikrotik
bit
apa ya?
better, or I can put I setting the image for be the dark one. This is, I think this can be the dark one, and I can change the text to the light one. Nice, this is better. For the this background, I will make it contrast one.
Ini banyak.
I think like this is better. It can change this to the network. Nice. This is the example for my majority. I will make the second example. Second example is like this. You can see Daniel Lewis. I use this template, not 100% template, but the inspiration is from this. This is from programming, like the programming majority. You can use the background of your laptop and coding and like this. Form the employee one. Yes, the employee one. You can make it the new one. For the employee, I will choose this in here. In the splash is like employee. I think the cool one is like this. I think this is better for the employee. We can wait for the sign. It's loading. I think it's done. We can fake my game. Copy in here. I think it's done. Okay, we can fix it. Okay, first, yes, this nice. This is the bad image. We can like make the effect. Plus the effect is blur. Let's make the bad image is like yes. We cannot see the bad image. The max is bad pixel.
Today I will
We
show
can
you
copy this.
a basic
Sorry,
of Blender. So
copy and paste.
here, as you start a new project,
Yes,
there
put
must
it in
be
the
a
center.
cube
This is
in
like
the
one.
middle of the
We have to choose the dark
layout.
text. The dark
So
text.
here you can, for example, you can
The dark.
rescale it by pressing S.
But
Or
until the
you can rotate
we
it
can
by
read
pressing
the
R.
text.
And
I
then
think like this better.
here there is a keyframe.
This is better.
If you want to make an animation,
Black
or you can go here.
and
This is for edit mode. For example, you can
put it
make
black.
it like this.
As you can see it,
Wait,
and we can make it because
like
the background
this
is black. Black. We can make
just
this is black.
press
Nice. This is nice
on
design.
edge of the
Here we can see
cube, and you
the
can look at it, and then here you can
employee.
drag it like this.
Yes. This is the for example for the design panel included until the programming
And
designer,
then
networker, and
here
the
there
employee.
is a loop
Maybe
cut.
that's all for me.
If you want to make
Assalamualaikum
a cut in the middle of
warahmatullahi
the box
wabarakatuh.
like that,